Hi my friends, today we model this part that has many interesting shapes. The name is adjustment bow and the drawing is here. We start with this contour. Radius 93, radius 56, radius 67, angles 60 and 18, an extension of 12 to both sides, and radius 10 here, fillets radius 5 all around. So let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, XY plane, and we start by creating that 3 circles with a radius 93 is this, 67 the next, and 56. We draw 2 lines, as you can see, then a parallel from a point on the external circle, a parallel with this. I hover on it and I go right here. The other similar line, I hover here to get the parallel. The parallel is this. The distance of 12 to both sides. I copy dimension from here. Okay. Now I apply trim in a special way. Be careful. I keep pressed the left button and I go through that circles. These 2 lines are construction, and you see here a dimension of radius 6. From this axis there is a slot with radius 6. 12 minus 6 is this distance. Good. I draw a small line from here. I hover to get the parallel and I go here. Same to the right. Start, hover, parallel. Then trim to this 2. Dimension of -12 minus 6 to be scrupulous. And the other dimension is identical, so I select this. Okay. I apply fillet of 10 between these 2 entities and also here. Then I split this arc to apply construction to this line. Then I draw a vertical line from this point to the first circle, also construction. Why? Because I have to place angles. This is 60 and this is 18. Then the last fillet of 5. To this corner, and the other 2. Okay. What is the thickness of the extrusion? 17. Finish sketch, extrude, the other direction, and 17. This is the first feature. Now we create these 2 slots. Dimensions are radius 6 and distance 80.5. Okay. We select this face. We start from the end of this short line. There is a line of 1 millimeter here if you want to know. And we go to here. We keep pressed the left button and we go to this point. Then tangent ending here. Dimensions radius 6 and distance from this point to the center point is 80.5. Finish sketch, extrude this, cut on 10 millimeters. Okay. To create a symmetrical slot and the other side, we create a new plane based on these 2. This is the mid plane between them, and we apply mirror of the last feature about this new plane. Okay. This plane is no more necessary to be visible. Then we create this slot, curved slot. It has dimension 15, angle of 50, angle of 4. 50 is from this line, so it is the dimension of the whole slot. The radius is from this point. Yes? The depth is 10. We select this face. We use slot center point arc. We draw an arc, as you can see, and this is 15 divided by 2. We place this mid arc on this point, coincident, to be coincident. Then we draw that 2 lines from center to center point and back to the other center. I draw also a vertical line here. All of them are construction, and angles are 4 degrees this, and 50 is all. Finish sketch, extrude this, cut, and also 10. There are fillets here, radius 2 and radius 5. Let's apply them to not forget. This is 2 by default plus 5 for the bottom contour. Okay. Now we have to create this plate. You see these faces are round, and the dimensions are here, 70 on 40. This is centered on the center point, but the other has a dimension somewhere here. Where? Here, my friends, 23. This is this line is on this point. We can find this point by measuring it. 23. Yes? Good. This is the drawing. We respect all we see here. The distance of the bottom face to this face is 50. And there is also a chamfer of 3 at 45 degrees on the bottom. I don't add, but you understand that 54 and 24 are positioning the holes, and they are in the center of radius 8. You can calculate them. Okay, let's do this all. I select this plane, I move it to the minus 50. This is for the new sketch. I hide the plane and I draw a rectangle. Dimensions 40 tab 70. We place on the same vertical this point with the midpoint, and we have to create that point to measure on vertical 23. To do this, I project this arc, F7, and now we have an arc and a line. We place a point on this arc and we make it coincident also with this side. Now we apply 23, dimension of 23. Good. Finish sketch. The thickness is 8. Extrude 8. Okay, then fillets of 8. On all the 4 corners. Okay, then a chamfer around here of 3, not 2. 3. Okay. Then the holes of 6.5 you see here. I select the face and I go out because I have centers. 6.5 on each point or center through all. Okay, these two solids are only one. We have to connect them, and we do this by taking a look of this. Dimensions for these two walls are 10 millimeters, ending to these contours. Okay, we select this face, we project the two contours, this and this and this, and also this, F7. Then we draw a line to connect these two arcs and another line to connect the other arcs. Both are vertical. Dimensions 10 to both. I take the dimension from here. They are equal. Finish sketch, extrude this face and this area to the part. Okay. The last feature is with these four fillets of radius 5. This is radius 5. Also this, this, and this. Okay. I think that's all. Let's see. Properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is different. Let me show you the similar font. You see the difference is at the fourth rank here, so we don't use the last one. It could be wrong. It's made also by me. The model is made by me, of course, and since we made together this model, then that dimensions are properly for the model. We go to material. It is still carbon. Then we apply view default lights. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.